Vincent, why are you all calm all of a sudden? What's the matter? Hmm? Smokey! Wow! Vincent, what's the matter, monkey? I guess the cat is calming. Tree. Big tree. Another tree. We have no grass. Bush. Little trees. I don't even know what those are called. Let's go back and see what Vincent does. What? What's the matter? Smokey, come here. Do you want help? No? You want to just come up here by yourself? Okay. Do you want to go inside? I don't want to go inside yet, but I think we will. Smokey! No?